Well, tailgate handle broke on the Toyota. We're gonna fix it. So first things first, handle obviously doesn't work. Gonna have to open it with the latches. There's a latch on each side, one inside here, another one back on the other side over there. I'll show you how to get them undone. All right, this is a bit of a trick to get to, but on each side there's a latch. When we look down into the crack here, there it is. I got a screwdriver pointed at it coming in from the bedside. Push that thing back, there we go. This one's released, we'll go to the other side, do the same thing. A little tiny screwdriver seems to do a trick for me, little flathead, so you get it down in there, right in where that latch is, pull back on it, and hopefully we can do this without crashing the tailgate down. Ooh, almost. There it goes. She's down. I'm not real sure if they've all got this bed liner tailgate cover thing, but we got to get it off. Bunch of little screws right along here, and a whole bunch on the inside too. These are just Phillips, so let me get at them and pull them off before we get any further. Next thing we got to do is get into this panel right here, so all the screws on that one got to come off. All right, we're in. You can see the actual problem. This is the back side of the latch. And if you look carefully, there's a little piece right there broken. And yeah, that thing is not causing, it's supposed to cause this lever here to move like that, rotate. And it's not. So we need to replace this whole thing. Next thing's got to come out is these two screws. All right, here it is. Looks like these little clips here literally just rotate back. Kind of swivel that back, and the pin pops out. Do that on both sides. Rotate it back. Ah, there it goes. Fell on my toes. All right, got it on the bench. You can see up nice and close what's broken right here. This part of the handle, when you move the handle back and forth, this piece is supposed to push right here on this. And it's obviously broken. Plastic's busted right off right there. Got a new one already, right here. And look, there it is. Not broken. I don't know how long it'll last, but we're gonna find out. Also, part number and everything for it right here. Found it on that Jungle website. Time to put the new one in. Well, there you go. 15 minutes maybe. Thanks for watching.